So I'm currently getting ready to give the baby a bath, and Micah's daddy just called me to let me know that he's outside. He's dropping him off because Micah has an appointment in the morning. So it's gonna be Micah's first time seeing the baby. So I figured I would document that because I'm kind of curious to see how it's gonna go. I don't really know what to expect, but yeah.
Where's the baby?
He's in his seat.
Is this baby? Oh, not in his face.
Yeah, not in his face. You gotta be gentle, okay? What you got?
I thought Sonny.
Oh, Lord. What's wrong?
Mad.
He's mad?
Yes.
Does it make you sad when he cries?
It touched my shoe.
So I'm currently watching YouTube and pumping. I just started pumping last night. I didn't like do anything as far as breastfeeding while I was at the hospital because the nurses and stuff like already be like in and out constantly. Add a lactation consultant into that, and y'all, they literally like the nipple police. Like, I didn't know how to sound for that while I was there. I knew if I did breastfeeding while I was at the hospital, I was definitely getting no sleep. They always talking about, we'll be back later, get some rest, but they don't let you rest. So, and then on top of that, when I got home, I assembled my breast pump, and like the suction, like it's making a suction noise and everything, but it actually wasn't suctioning. So I just went ahead and ordered a new one. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take to be here, but for now I'm just using my handheld one. Micah's asleep and the baby's asleep. So tomorrow we have Micah's appointment in the morning. It'll be like our first outing. It won't last long because we literally just going to his appointment and coming straight back. Because y'all, when they be telling you to stay in the house for 6 weeks, I stay in the house. The only time I leave out is for appointments in which I know they're gonna like schedule them within that 6-week time period. But yeah, so I guess I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, y'all, just a little update. It is Friday. He made 2 weeks on Wednesday. I haven't been vlogging or anything at all, so I'll probably just like take whatever little random video clips I make and just put it all together to make one vlog. But we have pictures on Friday the 19th. I had my consultation with the photographer for that earlier, so about to go try on the dress or one of the dresses that I'm wearing. I know for sure that I could fit one of them, but the second one, I'm gonna just try it on to be safe to see how it fits, because like I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear a bra with it, so I may need to like see how I need to do like the boob tape for it. But yeah, I think breastfeeding was the last thing I talked to y'all about, because I told y'all that I wasn't doing it in the hospital. He's been breastfeeding pretty well since we got home. Like now he's getting to the point to where like he sometimes won't take the bottle because he'd rather like me nurse him. So that's where we are with that. My production has been going pretty well. I still haven't got my breast pump in the mail that I ordered through my insurance, but I ordered one off of Amazon that's like a hands-free one that I could just like stick in my bra. That way I could still like do other stuff while I'm pumping. So I've been liking that one, and then it has like an auto timer where it goes off after 20 minutes of pumping. So that's like pretty good. I could just pump on 20 and then like switch it. So that's been pretty convenient having that. But yeah, Micah spent the week with his dad. He's coming back in the morning. So yeah, I'll be in full mommy mode. Not that I haven't been, but it's just like times 5 when Micah is here, because it's like you got one that sleeps all day and only wakes up to eat, and then you got one that's like super energetic and has to have something to do all day. So yeah, I guess I'll check in with y'all tomorrow once I get Micah back. If it's green, I'm sure he wants it. Okay. Okay, y'all. I got these mini trees from Hobby Lobby.
That is not EVA.
Okay, he's just trying to repeat what I'm saying. But I got these mini trees from Hobby Lobby yesterday. At first, I was just going to get one for Micah to decorate. But for some reason, my granny thought that Jayce needed one too, even though he can't even pick up an ornament. But I'm just going to let Micah decorate both of them. And so I'm going to show y'all what they look like whenever he's done.
Look at that.
Here, let's unwrap your ornaments.
That is air color.
Okay.
Fire in this video.
Don't yell so you don't wake up the baby, okay?
But the dog.
Look, you got Paw Patrol. And you got a nutcracker. Nutcracker. You got a macaroon. Say macaroon.
Macaroon.
Macaroon. And you got an elf.
The sheep.
That's an M. For Micah.
This Micah.
Mm-hmm.
This me.
Yep. I don't know how far down these gonna go. Uh-oh, be careful so they don't poke you, okay?
War.
Uh-oh.
I done.
Okay, y'all, I guess Micah said I was taking too long to fluff this one out because before I could even finish putting the ornaments on here, he went on and put them on this one, which is Jayce's tree. So, they have these little ornaments that I'm going to have to get pictures to go in the frame, 2 by 2 inches. But I'm going to go ahead and fix this. Hey, y'all, so it's Thanksgiving today, and we're about to get ready to go to my mama's. Well, both of the boys are asleep right now, so I said let me hurry up and get myself together real quick. But, I'm trying to figure out what I'm about to wear because I really don't know what shirt to wear. I know I'm wearing these pants because, yeah, but I'm trying to figure out what shirt to wear because I don't think I'm gonna wear this one. It looks too big. It is too big. I got it in a large because I got it to take pictures when I was pregnant. But like all around the arms and stuff is just, yeah. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm about to wear, but I'm gonna probably vlog a little bit today because I just decided I'm gonna take whatever clips that I take over time and just put them all together and make one big vlog, and then I'll just date stamp them from whatever is on the video. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. I already have Micah's outfit picked out and Jayce's, so I'm gonna just show y'all them once I get them dressed. And yeah, I guess I'll see y'all then.
I missed the body catcher, slaughter gang soul snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith and Weston, a 4L gang reppin'. We done baptized more niggas than a damn reverend. Kappa Alpha, me and my gang, we do all the steppin'. Who you checkin'? It's FN, shoot east or west end.
I heard Poppy outside, and he got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real, I'll be outside. I'ma drop this shit and have these pussies dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can't look me in the eyes. I despise when I see you, better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survive, beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga dies.
Keep blickies, and you know the weed sticky. My finger itchy, the Glock like to leave hickeys. Your shooter's iffy, a street punk could never diss me. I come straight up out the 6 and we don't spell sissies.
I fuck with her, and fuck with her, and her. I hit up her, tell them do the for sure. Voodoo curse, it got him while I flew the Turks. Know the dogs had to hit him where we knew. I'm on everything. Jacob charged me $450 for a tennis chain. US Open had it on us at the tennis game. Tell the coach don't take me out, I like to finish games. And my pen insane.
Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, gang shit, that's all I'm on. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. Nigga, bang bang, let it bang bang till his brains hang and his mama sang and the pastor sang and the bully sang and them choppers sang.
Let me see what you got on. Okay, so this is the kind of like color scheme that I went with. This was the first thing that I picked up. It was like kind of hard to find stuff that exact color, so I did just kind of branch off to like gold. I got these little rose gold ones, but I'm not even sure I'm gonna use that. So I got these ornaments from Hobby Lobby. They've been having their Christmas stuff for 50% off, so got those. I got these. They just look like pine cones, but they're sequined, so I got those. And then I got these little roses that goes with those also. And I kind of found all of those in the same area, so I think those colors coordinate pretty well. I got these little crown ornaments. I got 3 of those, and I got those from Target. And then I have some of these. I don't even know what they're called, but I got these from Hobby Lobby also. I just tried to get like some little accent pieces. That way everything isn't so like repetitive, and we have a few things that like stick out. And then I got these white poinsettias from Hobby Lobby also, and they have like little gold accents in the middle. And I'm gonna take those apart and like stick them throughout the tree, I think. So, and then I got these gold ones. They're like the same thing. Well, they squish. I gotta fluff them back out. But I found these at Dollar Tree. So I got a few of those. And then I found some rose gold ones. They're like pink and rose gold. I'm not sure that I'm even gonna use those, but I got them just in case. And then I found a few more little accent ornaments. These all came from Dollar Tree also. And I think that's all that I have to go on the tree right now. I still want to get some garland or something to wrap around it. So if I find that, of course, I'll bring y'all along with me and show y'all what I end up getting. OMG, y'all. I don't remember the last time I vlogged because, y'all, life is just crazy. Like, no 2 days are the same. My day-to-day life is just hectic. Like, literally every day is just try to do what you can, try to get what you can get done, and just go to bed and try to get the next day. But y'all, look how big the baby has gotten. I don't even know if I showed him to y'all at the beginning. I don't know. Y'all, I don't even have words. But yeah. I know I posted him on social media already, so it really don't matter if I show y'all him in the video. But I was just sitting here going over our pictures because we went to take family portraits last week. So I was going through picking our proofs, like for the photographer to edit. And I was like, I haven't vlogged in a little while. And I was watching a vlog on the TV. So I was like, let me just pick up the phone and say something. Like, even if I'm not doing nothing, I haven't been doing nothing, but yeah, just want to say hi, I guess. I'm about to get on Pinterest and look at outfit ideas because I have a graduation party / dinner to go to this weekend, and I don't really know what I'm gonna wear, but I kind of know how I want to wear my hair, so I might base my outfit like on what looks good with that. But it's almost midnight, and tonight was the one night that I was actually planning on going to sleep early, and this boy's wide awake. Any other night, he usually be asleep at like 7, but tonight he wide awake. He been up since, I want to say 8, maybe a little bit before. Yeah, he's been up since I was giving Micah a bath. They might be before 7, but he been up for a while, so I know he better have a good little stretch of sleep when he do go to sleep. And he's had 6 ounces in the last hour, so I'm not gonna feed him until at least 1 a.m. because I'm trying to spread out his feedings. Oh, I guess I can tell y'all about that. Y'all, this baby is so freaking greedy. He think he got to eat every hour on the hour. And it's not like... Oh, you don't like me talking about you? My bad. But yeah, he will eat like 3 to 4 ounces every hour. And his pediatrician told me to just like start spreading it out, making him wait at least 2 hours in between each feeding. That way he can get used to going like longer periods of time without eating. And I can actually get some sleep at night because... it's hard to feel rested when you're waking up every hour, or not even that, just like having your sleep broken repeatedly throughout the night. It's hard to feel rested when it's time to get up the next day. And I haven't really had many commitments to where I have to be up by a certain time, but still, like, I be having physical therapy at like 2:45 or 3. Oh yeah, y'all, I done had a whole wreck and everything. I don't know if I vlogged about that, but Yeah, the first day we were supposed to go take our family portraits. While we were on the way to our session, we got rear-ended on the freeway. So yeah, I've been driving this little rental, y'all, with no tent whatsoever. Like, I hate not having tent, because in my Jeep I had 15 on the front and 5 in the back, or was it 10 and 5, something like that. But it's like no tent, so it's like no privacy or nothing. But yeah, just a whole lot of been going on. But yeah, mainly getting ready for Christmas. I'm gonna finish wrapping Micah's stuff when he goes with his dad tomorrow. I was gonna show y'all like what I got him. Like, I was gonna do a what I'm gifting for Christmas video, but I changed my mind. I said, let me wrap all this up so we can get under the tree. So whatever gifts that I have of his here, I've been wrapping and putting under my tree. But he's also gonna open gifts at my mom, because I had some stuff go to her house, and then of course she bought him stuff too. But okay, so I just looked back through my gallery to see like when I started recording, and y'all haven't seen like no type of footage since like I've had him home. And I don't want like Thanksgiving and Christmas to run like in the same vlog, so I'm gonna just cut this one off right here and edit it, and then I'll just start a new one, and they'll just kind of be like candid what's going on from day to day until I start back planning out content and making actual sit down videos. Oh yeah, and real quick, before I cut this off, I realized I forgot to show y'all how the Christmas tree came out. So I'm gonna show y'all that in the next vlog. And I forgot to show y'all how Micah decorated their mini trees, because after he put all the ornaments on there, my granny bought him some green candy canes, and my mama bought him some green lights to go on it. So he been using those as like his night light in his room. But I'm gonna show y'all all of it in the next vlog. When I was editing, I just realized that I forgot to add that in there. So just be expecting it in the next one. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this vlog. Let me know if y'all have any video ideas or anything in particular that y'all want to see in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see y'all in the next vlog.